Hey there, hikers! Are you ready to hit the trail? Pack your backpack like a pro with our expert tips and make your day hike a breeze. From selecting the perfect backpack to organizing your gear for maximum efficiency, we've got the essential advice to ensure you're well-prepared, comfortable, and safe on your adventure. Whether you're an experienced hiker or a beginner, let's make your day hike a success together. 1. Don't pack your whole closet, Karen. Leave the kitchen sink at home. All right, folks, it's time to talk about the ultimate packing rule for hiking. Don't pack your whole closet, Karen. Leave the kitchen sink at home. Yes, we all know someone like Karen who insists on bringing everything but the kitchen sink on a simple day hike. But let's be real. Unless you're planning to hike up Mount Everest, you don't need to bring your entire home with you. So let's keep it simple and pack the essentials. Water, snacks, sunscreen, a first aid kit, and appropriate clothing and footwear. Remember, the more you pack, the heavier your backpack will be, and the more you'll be struggling up that steep trail. So let Karen bring her kitchen sink if she wants, but the smart hiker knows to pack light and pack right. 2. Don't forget the essentials: snacks, water, and a portable phone charger for those all-important nature selfies. When it comes to hiking, packing your backpack can make or break your day. And let's be honest, no one wants to be a mile up a mountain realizing they forgot snacks, water, or worse, their phone charger for those all-important nature selfies. So, if you want to pack like a pro, don't forget the essentials, aka the holy trinity of hiking. Snacks? Check. Water? Check. Portable phone charger? Triple check. Because what's the point of a breathtaking view if you can't immediately share it with your social media followers and show off your adventurous side? Just remember, the weight of your backpack is directly proportional to the amount of likes you'll get on that mountaintop photo. So, pack wisely, fellow hikers. 3. If your backpack is heavier than a baby elephant, you might want to reconsider your life choices. Hiking is a fun and adventurous activity, but packing your backpack for a day hike can be a daunting task. With so many essential items to carry, it's easy to get carried away and pack everything, including the kitchen sink. But let's be real, if your backpack is heavier than a baby elephant, you might want to reconsider your life choices. Trust us, you won't need your entire wardrobe or your entire kitchen to go on a hike. The key is to pack smartly and efficiently, only taking the essentials that are necessary for your specific hike. So, put down that extra pair of shoes and those 4 water bottles, and let's pack your backpack like a pro. In conclusion, packing your backpack properly is an important aspect of enjoying your day hike. By following the steps outlined in this post, such as properly organizing your gear, distributing weight evenly, and packing only what you need, you can help ensure that your hike is safe, comfortable, and enjoyable. With a well-packed backpack, you can focus on the beautiful scenery and the thrill of the hike, rather than any discomfort or inconvenience caused by improperly packed gear. So go ahead, hit the trails, and enjoy the great outdoors with confidence.